Welcome to today's episode of Will My 36-Year-Old French Car Start? So we have a car show today. It's Retro Rides at Goodwood. And I've lost part of the jump pack, which don't tell the husband, because it's his. Probably means it's not going to start, doesn't it? He's staring at me. I think I'm in shit. Oh my god, come on, little plug. Now everyone's staring at me. Oh god, I'm about to get shouted at. Pray for me at this point. Now everyone's arguing and it's already stressful. Well, this is a new one. She's alive, she started. Kelvin had a go, she started for him, which is actually really quite annoying. But yeah, that's a new one. It doesn't normally just not start like that. It either doesn't turn over or it starts. So maybe I am going to have to look into this. I am going to have to find the missing bit of the jump pack. And if anyone knows a company that would like to sponsor me for a jump pack, it would be really appreciated. We are absolutely soaked and giving up. Going home. Retro Rides has been good, but it's just so wet. So, do you think it's going to start? Car that is, when it didn't this morning.